Okay, day number 3. Got half of the fences done. Ran out of the 5-gallon. We're going to need 3 more gallons of the cedar and the bear fence and patio decking paint. But I'm loving the color. It's got like a nice little reddish hue to it, which is going to go really great with the bamboo. And look, bamboo is down. So now we are actually taking all of this down from here all the way going straight down. We're going to keep what we have in the back, and we're going to keep this, but we're going to cut it halfway so you can actually be able to see. And the back is looking pretty good too. OMG, it's coming out so great. Okay, so we took all the stuff back there, right here, and moved it to the back. I'm so tired. And you can see that we took all of that screen and put it back here, right there, and then added that right here in this area. We added that new screen, the bamboo screen. And now we're adding the fence. It looks great. So the fence is so close to the brick line, but thank God that this brick line is brick and not like straight up cement. So what we did was, I'm taking out, we were going to take this whole like row of bricks, but instead I'm going to take every brick out at the split of the new fence. So right there, you can see there. And then I'm going to go probably right here and take this one out, because see that split there. And we're using this electric pole digger from Amazon, and it actually, like, oh my gosh, it like tilted the soil like butter. There's something there. It could be a tree root.
Could be.